So we are going to the second part of it. And what is our time? 12. A long way to go. And fine. Second, let's go through the problem. Short problem which explains this entire business excellence model. All of you with the material? Ready? A guest lecturer at Symposium for Business Excellence, where you are giving a lecture on sustaining. Guest lecturer is giving a lecture. You are giving a sustaining business excellence. A manufacturer of fashion clothing line is one of the participants at the symposium. He has the following query. So, you are giving a lecture, I am giving lecture on this business excellence model. I am doing that, but luckily you have not asked any question. And I remember I was working with a consultant. He's a Harvard returned Dr. Basant Raj. Wonderful person. DBA Harvard. He was MBA IIM, first product of IIM. Then he had gone there. I was fortunate to work under him. And his greatness is, he will allow you to think. See, for example, I am very ordinary fellow with very poor English. Except confidence, I don't have anything. I work hard. I study. I won't give up. Full preparation I'll go. That's two things. But I have a problem. Whenever I do work, I keep singing. That's my problem. I'm always singing. That is, I don't know why. But I go on practice songs, either praying God or songs. That's my nature. And I used to conceive projects with him. I was 21 years. When I passed CA, I joined him. And other people used to dislike, this chap idiot is going on singing. Big professors. But he somehow tells me, you have something. He had a confidence on me. But he told, okay, his style is like that. And most presentation we both used to go. Because he tells, you are exactly onto the point. Whenever a problem, the directors, Glaxo, Sandoz, big companies, they used to come. When they explain, I used to keep watching. I used to tell doctor, this is their problem. Like that. So he used to keep me. And that's how I learnt confidence. You must go in an environment of confidence. You should remember. I joined Pachapas College to get gold medal. I chose because I thought nobody will be reading there. I'll be reading. I got. Understand? Because if too many brilliant people are there, they will suppress you. That is right. So, what is the problem that entrepreneur telling you? The question is, I am giving a lecture on sustaining business excellence. Already you are excellent. How to retain that excellence? That means the dynamic forces, how to manage them, control them and grow. So, we are an apparel company, garments, that manufacture and sell our fashion clothing and accessible directly through 13 stores spread across India. Shortly, we are planning to establish similar outlets overseas. Our business is under constant change due to changing customer trends. At the same time, we are the largest company in our industry segment in India, both in terms of market share and profits. We have a satisfied base of customers who are loyal to our brand. Shareholders are also satisfied stakeholders due to good returns provided on their investments. What would be the relevance of this business excellence model to your company, sir? Thank you. That is his question. That is his question. Okay. And dear friends, first part of my thing is like this. Let me see, you're not reacting, that is my problem. And I need your reactions. What is the reaction is this? I'll tell you what I want. Yes. What I want is, friends, when you read that, are you able to capture the difficulty in that problem? Not the difficulty of understanding that business has got its own problem. What is that problem? Can you tell me? You read once again one paragraph. I am going to answer like that. He has given you a case. Understand, when you are talking about business excellence, first question they will ask, in what way that lecture is relevant to me? What value is it going to create to me? Tell me fast. Then only I will sit. Understand? So, for you also, the same thing. Can you somebody tell me, this is the problem, this complicated problem of this company is this. Can you? See, dear friends, how can you solve big problems means, rule one is, you have to create as many solutions, think as many solutions as possible. Many times what you think as idiotic solution, that is the solution, which you are ignoring it, no? As you know, it is difficult to do all that, or it's a foolish decision, that decision only is the correct solution. So first rule is, when you define a problem, then problem solutions, think whatever comes in your mind. As you have very rightly said, this is a business, fashion technology. 3 people have said, I'll wait for a few minutes. Anugraha only is telling, Shweta. What about the others? Okay. I can't give much time to think, friends, because see, this is a fashion. Garments means fashion. People moods are changing. You cannot tell everybody will be like you. You have to go into their mind, give them something they don't expect. So today you tear off this shirt. Then that is a model, fashion. Many people, like beggars, very nice rich people, torn clothes they were wearing. That is fashion. Earlier bell bottoms. Today nobody wants. What is old is new and new is old. That's life. But this entertainment business, people don't like to see your face always. Understand? People, how long you can see my dirty face? Understand? You want new faces. Man is like that. Therefore, this is a very tough business we are in. Remember, this is a very, very difficult business, as you very rightly said. You are in changing tastes and technologies. Customer, you see all successful companies. One Java company is there. If you had invested 5 lakhs in somewhere in 1980 or so, that would have grown to 200 crores. I have just not figures, I am not clear, but I didn't analyze, I am a specialist there. Then I found they will come out with motorbikes, different varieties, every year they will change. But ambassador car, all 100 years same dabba. Understand, today a customer will throw you to dustbin. He has so much to choose. Why should he choose you? Very difficult business we are in, friends. Okay. Now, his question, we are going further as you rightly observed. One more problem you have not observed is Indian market is different from foreign market. Overseas market is different. Their tastes and technologies are different. You understand? And Indian market is different. And when you are risk assessment, you can think you have to grow. There are no doubts. You have to capture the world today. Otherwise, world will come to you and throw you out. Today you should be a world leader, not Indian leaders. And how will you become world leader? You have to go to overseas, win over them. See, many people, I was asking somebody, then they told, no, homemade non-vegetarian food, this person doesn't eat. Oh, very good, they are vegetarians, it's good for health. Then they told me, no, this is the chicken which is made that, what is that? That one, no? I just now saw it. Kingfisher, this thing. They go and eat there fully. They like it. They created a brand. And people are saying, Coca-Cola, all that if you drink, you are poison you are drinking. But people drink that. They are able to create such an impact for you. Long lasting. Something like that. Okay. So what is the question before us? Explain the importance of business excellence model to an organization. That is normal lecture. List the tools available to achieve the sustained excellence. That is also general. Apply the fundamentals of European model, EFQM, to the apparel company. Now we are coming to them, a specific case, and explain the relationship between various criteria of the model in general terms. So, please go through this one by one. I can teach you for 5 days this one, but then I have to teach you in half an hour. Understand? The problem for me is throat. I am not able to teach long hours. That's my problem. Anyway, I will take up, shall we say, I will read out this one. First one you have written, case study. You please, the questions are very clear. And this is being an apparel company. It is subject to changes in tastes and technologies. And you are going to go abroad, overseas market you want to capture. In order to capture something, you should not lose what you have. That is a very important thing. Like Kingfisher, you know what happened. He lost because of the Kingfisher Airlines. He has lost Kingfisher. See, India, such a product is that every fellow will drink. And he lost and he ran away from India to London. Anyway, that is another problem. What is this business excellence model? As I told you, I am reading it now. That's all. Business excellence is a philosophy for developing and strengthening the management systems and processes of an organization to improve the performance and create value for stakeholders. That continues to be the objective. Stakeholders in an organization are not limited to shareholders, business alone. They include also customers, employees, people, and the society. What an organization does impacts all the stakeholders in different ways. Yet, they are all interlinked to each other. Customers' needs are of paramount importance to companies. Yet, given uncertain conditions, shareholders demand challenging return on their investments. Employees need more from their company than just their payback. They want the company to enable to grow their knowledge and experience that can improve their career growth. Society expects the companies to operate ethically and for the overall betterment of the society and the environment. What a beautiful explanation. These are the goals, the stakeholders satisfaction models. Then you have another latest model, balance scorecard. The yardsticks you create and then evaluate the performance, whether you are achieving them, a sustained basis. You understand? We can apply this model to everything. Chartered Accountants Institute, ICAI. See, some companies, who are like, take an example, Times of India paper, Hindu. Hindu was a paper, traditional, everybody will read. And they have certain principles, they won't change. And they fight for certain causes which somebody likes, somebody dislikes. But they take the role of opposition nicely. That paper is relevant, my opinion. Times of India has come. The top people are all my close friends. But they are business-like. Business-like. Hindu is like a paternal. The employee-employer relationship will be their parental society. They have some things. But Times of India, you perform, you take your money. Don't perform, go home. That's all. And what is the market driven? And you see, Times of India captured the market. This is a model, business excellence model. They finally, what is that? Stakeholders, customers, people are reading that paper. Then shareholders are satisfied. It's not like another television channel and all shouting and all. But they have taken via media. I'm not going to the pros and cons. Creating value to the shareholders. You want to leave this paper and go to some other paper. You feel you go, but still you are coming back to this paper. That is called competitive advantage. That's all. How they are doing, it's a study for us. How they are doing is a study for us. Right. So, this is the first paragraph. Please write notes. I want you to note. This is point number 1 is developing and strengthening management systems and processes to improve the performance and create value for stakeholders. Improve performance means there may be some lacunas. That is one thing. Second thing is you are already excellent, but still there is something more to improve. There is still something more to improve. Okay. And then second part is point number 2. Identify the stakeholders who are not just limited to shareholders. Identify the stakeholders who are not just limited to shareholders. Focusing on shareholders and creating value to them is ambassador car. Today that will not sustain. But customer focused, you are in a buyer's market. Buyer will dictate, customer will tell you what he wants. You have to satisfy. Okay. So remember that. If I am not able to sit and satisfy you, next class nobody will be there. Understand? So then the question arises, how to create? Why CA Institute doesn't have more students? If you take Board of Studies, they have a channel throughout India, it is delivered. Everybody works hard, friends. I am telling you, Chairman Board of Studies, nice lady, and Director Board of Studies, Chairman is a very knowledgeable person. All are good, they want to do something, but not able to do. Why? So there are issues, these models can be applied, but the problem is, There should be one leadership. Leader is there, but then something is there. Let's not discuss that. But you have to perform here and you have to come in. So others are stakeholders defined as customers, employees, society. What are their expectations? Not just giving money. It's not just giving money. Today, if they just go on teach you only CSE and write notes, it's important. But what is the value I am creating to you? What is the impact that I am creating to you on your mind? To be a great people. CA anyway you will pass. If you have determination, you will pass. After CA, how you will survive is what I am teaching. Right. Now, second paragraph. For several years, businesses have been operating under challenging circumstances. Today, cutthroat. For example, landline phones have been entirely replaced by mobiles. Completely, friends, today you can see the innovation that in railways, when you see there are a lot of people, used to be there, no, coolies. They will come, red dress, they'll come. Today, there is nothing. You just take trolley, that's you can take, that's all. So, innovations are just replacing completely. So, what you thought as very important earlier is not at all relevant now. So, what is relevant today may not be relevant later. I am telling you. I am telling you, friends. Very important. Today classes you take. You are throughout the world and all that I should be able to create, I am the best. Everybody will come and I don't need to charge 10,000s. I'll charge just 2,000s and CA Institute charges that only, I think very little, and so many students can come in. So there is a total diametric change because of this technology. Now how to capitalize? There are two things. Opportunities are there, threats are there. All the lectures is recorded. I was teaching to one fellow, super profs, one fellow. I don't know, many of our professors have taught and that fellow recorded everything and that's all. My lectures all gone. Where will you ask? Whom will you ask? He is not even bothered. They are there. They are there. In a big model, this selling all that. 1 rupee I didn't get. I think I got 45 rupees for that 4 months I worked. But who is wrong? I am wrong. Why should I go like that? Sir, it's alright. Make yourself responsible for all that. You will get success. This is one word I am using. If you think others are reasons for your downfall, then how will you come out? We will talk about it tonight. So, you are in a cutthroat because of the competition. All that they have talked about it. Next, this is very, very important. Today, things will change well, friends, because some reason India is like this. But today, what happens, no? When you go for access to justice, I am telling you, one of the problems are for us. Today, I go to High Court. When I plan, I will plan for Supreme Court. So, I am prepared to handle the case. Single bench, division bench, Supreme Court. So, if I am able to sustain in Supreme Court, I will come to this court. We can operate from here. You have to file it 10,000 rupees. That also not required. E-filing is there. So, people will behave. The single judge will carefully pass the order because division bench will check. Division bench will not just like that throw you because Supreme Court will see. And things will not develop. And our judicial system, excellent, friends. Don't think some problems now. Even Rahul Gandhi was telling, no, we have got great judges. Once you go to the table, there are people who are, but dharma stage, you will get justice. So don't go by what is coming in paper and all. You think positively. Our nation has got a bright future. great future. Right. To manage this complex scenario, please underline, a company cannot focus on only one aspect of their operations. Optimize the processes, deliver quality to customers, manage employee talents, earn required return on investment while managing to be socially responsible organization. Fantastic words. Don't think of that. And I want to tell you one thing here, friends. Many of you may be CA, coming to CA Institute classes means they are all either failed many times or majority, the fees is less. They are disinterested fellows who will come and sit. But my students are very good. They are exceptions. Now, this sort of a situation, we need to encourage them, and you make yourself responsible and try to create your peaceful environment, friends. That's very important. Very important. Keep on getting frustrated. What work you can do? How can you study? Out in fear. That's why I told you from the beginning, throw that astrology from your mind. Don't go to temples unless every day. If you want to go, I am not saying. But keep God is with you. Realize. He's a great friend. Always trying to help you. Change. Be dutiful. Be dutiful. Some people don't like parents when they are in love. But because parents are the gods, then you think he doesn't like it. Like that. Environmental balance you have to create. I gave you a lot of examples. You must ponder over those of your interest. At night you should sit down and think. And you see where you stand in the scheme of things to achieve this excellence. Right. Business excellence principles emerged because of the development of quality drive into traditional business management. It is imperative not just to achieve excellence, but also to sustain. Not achieving excellence is not the only thing, but sustain that. Sustain that. Business excellence models are holistic models that help companies to develop stakeholders focused action. Understand? That's what I am telling. Each operation within a company enables a corresponding result. Business models present a formal, standardized cause-effect relationship between different operations, enablers and their resultant consequences. We are going to set the enablers and then set the consequences. You understand? This can be better analyzed through these models. Continuous improvement on various operations will ultimately lead to excellence. More importantly, these models need to be used to sustain and maintain excellence to retain their competitive advantage. Here I want to tell you, friends, I am spacing time. Yesterday, I have to meet somebody. They said they will come, they didn't come. Then I sat, I worked, I prepared, and then came. This topic I spoke so many times. But before you, why should I come before you is one. I want to sharpen myself. That's my main idea. Not for the 1,000 rupees per hour they are giving, I am coming. Second, you, my students, lovable friends, you become very great. Teacher value, CAs have great respect for teachers. And if it is a Kerala student, he really respects teacher. I am not saying others. Kannada, second, very good. And then Tamil students, very good. And then fourth comes is my students, Telugu students. Of course, all are my students, but I experienced Telugu students abuse a lot, and they love criticizing many. But Kerala students will never do that. He will never talk bad of teachers. I know it from 1989 to this, and of course we should not take criticism abuses as a thing, criticism for improvement, like that. Okay, anyway, that part we'll discuss later. Now, achieving excellence, sustaining the excellence through creating value to the stakeholders. That's paramount. And to achieve that, what model technically I can use is the discussion. And let me see what's the time now. Okay. Right. Now, we are going to talk popular excellence models are European Foundation Quality Management Model. That's a values model which I am going to speak. Then you have BC Performance Excellence, Singapore, Japan, Quality Driven Models, Australian Business Excellence Framework. We have to study all, should not drop out everything. What is the difference? How we can build up and all that. Now comes the specific issue. Specific issue. Friends, after this you should apply to you. You put yourself as the top company, yourself, and what you can achieve using this model. I am doing that. But for me, late in the day, I have no interest. I can teach you, but I don't have interest to create big things. I just want to relax. I am already old and I feel God. This is the time. Take care of all my people, friends, students, and my mother. Everybody should be happy. This is the approach I am doing. And what I really like legal line, passion. That to be nice. That's all. But I cannot be a model for you youngsters. An aggression. You are under fire. You have to be under fire. Your belly should be under fire. You have to become great. That is why I am teaching. Understand? Right. A rational approach. Whenever you are in trouble, you read Kannadasan. Anbe un annai, arive un thandai, ulage or kovil. I don't know, others may not be knowing Tamil. I am sorry. But arive un thandai. Your father is your knowledge. And if you apply that, success comes. This is my, apply 1 plus 1 is 2. That's my rule. I'll talk to you that later. So, in this model, how will they use this model for each segment of the stakeholders, and how they come to conclusion the stakeholder is satisfied and giving him something which he never expected. This is important. When you are going to your auditor, friends, I am telling you, your life starts, your young students, first life starts with your articled boss. That man should think that this person is 1, dedicated worker. 2, he minds his business. He is honest. Your auditor may be a dishonest fellow. You understand? A dishonest man understands the honest man much better, whereas a honest man can never understand a dishonest man. That is the point. You understand? So, this point you should be kept in your mind. You have to behave. Next is, that is your investment. You should not think he is doing bad, I will also do bad. No. If you think he is going to do bad, get out of it. Your time is positive. There is no time to waste. Many people may ask me why you are filing cases and all. I am not filing against anybody. Settle things which will have 80-20 ratio. Whatever I do should be useful to society 80%. 20% to myself. Right? Right. Now, this is a processes and systems strengthening. First one is adding value to customers. Adding value to customers. We have to create 5 enablers to achieve this and 4 measures to understand that. That I will take in the next class. And my throat is down. And I always realize one more thing. Whenever I see Balasubramaniam and all actors, singers, they are all very fat, huge. I also used to be very fat. Because after lecture you are so hungry, you go and eat like anything. So just now I was thinking like that. And thank you friends. I would like to